Children listen, exercise 6.2, continuation of the previous video, that is already 5 questions we have uploaded in the video number 1 in exercise 6.2. Video number part 2 we are going to do, okay. Part 2 in exercise 6.2. Right, listen pa, find interval which are the following functions are strictly increasing or decreasing. Ma listen, increasing or decreasing. Now what I told to do pa, I told to differentiate, okay. So question number A, let me take the f of x. The given question I am taking as f of x, x square plus 2x minus 5. So that I am going to differentiate this. F dash of x is equal to x square derivative 2x, 2 into x derivative 1 minus 0, 5 derivative 0. 2 if you take outside now, I am getting x plus 1. This is what ma f dash of x. What is the rule actually? After finding f dash of x, what we have to do? Yes, put f dash of x is equal to, very good, put f dash of x is equal to 0 is the condition. That means f dash of x what? 2 into x plus 1 which is equal to, x plus 1 which is equal to 0. Multiply to when it's an opposite, x plus 1 equal to 0. Then x is equal to what I am getting? Minus 1. What is the x value now? Minus 1. Right, fine. Now after getting the x value, we have to make an interval minus infinity to plus infinity. Here we have a minus 1. Then we have two intervals, okay. There are the intervals are, will write the intervals are what is that, minus infinity comma minus 1 and minus 1 comma plus infinity, okay. This is we have. After writing the interval, what we have to do pa? Table we have to make. Yes, increasing decreasing table we have to make. So that first here interval we will write interval. Next f dash of x is equal to 2 into x plus 1. Last one what ma? Nature of a function. Nature of a f of x. Okay. So this all we are making as a table point. Right pa. So first point and second point. So first is what ma? Minus infinity to minus 1. Second minus 1 comma plus infinity. Right ma, from minus 1 minus infinity to plus, minus 1 now what number will take? Small number pa? Easy number. Okay, f dash of minus 2 I will take. So that 2 into minus 2 plus 1 na, what I am getting? What I am getting? Minus 1, that is less than 0. Less than 0 na, decreasing. Understand? Right. Next f dash of what will take? Minus 1 above, infinity below na, what we can take? Easy number 0 we can take. What we can take was 0. So that 0 plus 1 which is equal to 2, that is greater than 0. So that increasing. So that increasing in the minus 1 to infinity interval, decreasing in the minus infinity to minus 1 interval. That's it. Okay. So that therefore f of x is decreasing. F of x is decreasing on what is the interval? Minus infinity comma minus 1, and f of x is increasing on minus 1 to plus infinity. That's it. Have you understand pa? Have you understand? This is okay or what? Okay, I'm right. Okay, so in the same model, Raja, same model, these two, this also quadratic. So these two also quadratic. So you people take B and D as your homework. Okay, B and D as your homework. You people try pa. B and D as your homework. So we'll go to question number C. We'll go to question number C. Right fast pa. First page, have you done, pa? No, no, this page I'm asking. This page. Ah, okay. So I'll rub this. In the same page, I will go C question. Minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. This will take as a, sorry, this will take as a, what pa? F of x. Sorry, just a minute again. What happened? It's not working. F of x is equal to minus, this is letter taking. This is what C question. Question number C we are going to start. Question number C. So that I am going to differentiate this on both the side. Children, I am going to differentiate this on both the side. Minus 2, let it be as it is. X cube when you differentiate, x cube when you differentiate 3x square you will be getting minus 9 into x square when you differentiate. What pa? X square when you differentiate. Sorry, children. Listen, pa. Question x square derivative what pa? 2x you will be getting minus 12 into x derivative 1, 1 derivative 0. That's it. Simplify this pa. What we have here minus 6x square minus 9, 9 to 18, 18x minus 12. That's it. So that minus 6 if we take outside, what you will be getting? X square 3 into 6 18, so that 3x 2 into minus 6 minus 12. That's it. So you can make I factor now. I factor is what? Product value 2, addition value 3, so that 1 2s are 2, add means 3. Okay. So that minus 6 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. That's it. This is our f dash of x. Okay. After finding f dash of x, what we have to do pa? We have to put equal to 0. I'm right. So that put f dash of x which is equal to 0. That means minus 6 into x plus 1 into x plus 2 which is equal to 0. So that minus 6, multiply minus 6, when you send opposite it will be divide. Okay. Can you rub the table? Table is anyone doing? Boy side, girl side? Right, fine. Children, listen pa. Now minus 6 when you send opposite it will be 0 divided anything 0 leave it. So that x plus 1 equal to 0 separately, and what is that, x plus 2 equal to 0. So that x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 2. X equal to what pa? Minus 2. So that this is minus infinity plus infinity. Here a small number what ma? Minus 2 or minus 1, which is small number Raja? Minus 2. So minus 2 left hand side. Small number must be left hand side. Greater number must be right hand side. Therefore the intervals are intervals are minus infinity to minus 2 and minus 2 comma minus 1 and minus 1 to plus infinity. 3 intervals we have. Now let's go for making the tabular column. Okay, table will do. Can I have the last finishing for the previous? Okay, table will be making. Okay, table first, what we are going to do, listen pa. Table first, what I am going to write? Intervals, interval. Next, f dash of x is equal to minus 6 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Ma, this one I'm writing there. F dash of x is minus 6 into x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay. Next, nature of f of x. Nature of a f of x. That's it. Now we have to make table like this. So first point minus infinity comma minus 2, and second point minus 2 comma minus 1, and third point minus 1 comma infinity. Okay, that's it. Now we have to write everything here. Let's go to substituting the value from this minus infinity to minus 2. If you want to take one easy number now, what will take the Raja? F dash of minus 3, I'll take minus 3. F dash of minus 3 equal to minus 6 into here. Listen, minus 3 plus 1. What you will be getting, pa? Minus 2. Okay, like that. Minus 3 plus 2 na? Minus 1. So that what you will be getting? Minus we have a 3 time. So what you will be getting? This is greater than 0 or less than 0? This is less than 0, right? Less than 0 now what we can say? Decrease. It's not necessary to multiply the value. Just plus minus alone you just check. And what about the second one? What will take? Minus 2 to minus 1. What we have in between? Any real number you can take. Shall we take in decimal? Minus 1.5. Yes, minus 1.5 I am taking. Okay. So that minus 6 into see x plus 1. X value minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 plus 1. Now what you will be getting? Minus 0.5. Have you understand? Like that. What is the next? X plus 2. X value minus 1.5 plus 2. Now what you will be getting? Plus 0.5. So 1 minus 1 more minus. Minus and minus plus. Plus means what, ma? Greater than 0. Greater than 0 na? Increasing. What, my dear? Increasing. It's going upward. Okay. Next, minus 1 to infinity means minus, yeah, 0 you can take. Very good. What the f dash of 0 if you take? So that minus 6 into 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 2, 2. So that less than 0, which means decreasing. So decreasing we have two cases. One is increasing. That's it. So that finishing answer will write. Hence, decreasing on, okay, strict. See, if you want to write strictly decreasing also you can write, because in question they gave strictly only. Decreasing on in two places. One minus infinity minus 2 union minus 1 comma infinity and increasing on minus 2 comma minus 1. That's it. This is your finishing. I hope you understand. Even the C also. Write fast. Write faster, Raja. Have you done, Raja? Shall we go to E, ma? Question number subdivision E. I will go to E. E question and all you people will be talking. Okay. Subdivision E. Children. First page can I rappa? First page is anyone writing? No, I'm right. So E, let f of x is equal to, what is that? X plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 the whole cube. Children, I hope you people have noticed that which is in the form of UV. This is what, my dear, UV. Then what is the UV product rule, pa? U dash V plus a U V dash. That you should not forget. That is I'm going to use. Shall we start, pa? So that f dash of xa, which is equal to u dash na x plus 1 whole cube, you have to differentiate. X plus 1 whole cube, when you differentiate, 3 will be coming down. X plus 1 whole power 2, power 1 will be reduced, 2, okay, into x plus 1 also you have to differentiate. X derivative 1, 1 derivative 0. Then into v you should write as this. See, this is fully what? U dash. Then we should write now. What is the v? X minus 3 whole cube plus. I need even next page also. Can I rough that? Okay, the continuation what? U v dash. So that u you should write as it is. U means x plus 1 whole cube into v dash na, this one you have to differentiate. So 3 will be coming down, x minus 3 whole power 2. Okay. Now x minus 3 when you differentiate, x derivative 1 minus 3 derivative what? 0. That's it. Now what is common? You just see, children. What is common? X plus 1 we have in both the case, but in one place square, one place cube. Then what is common? Square you take outside, so that x plus 1 whole square we can take outside. Okay, one more thing also we have. What is we have? Number 3. I hope number 3 you people noticed it. In both the place we have number 3 is common. Okay, next x minus 3 we have in both the place. What is the least power bar that you take outside? Square. So that x minus 3 whole power 2. If I am taking these 3, number 3, x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square. These 3 if I am taking outside, what is the remaining? We'll see, children. What is the remaining? Here this, into 1 under limit. This is fully I have taken outside. Then in the cube, okay, in the cube, only 1 will be there inside, that is x minus 3 will be there inside, plus. Like that here also, this fully we have taken outside, and here from the cube, 1 will be there inside, because square only we have taken outside. Okay, square only we have taken outside, so that x plus 1 will be there inside. Now simplify, pa. What I am getting? 3 into x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square. Now x plus x, 2x, minus 3 plus 1 na, minus 2. What is that? Minus it 2. That's it. Okay. So this is our required f dash of x. Okay. Here also even 2 you can take outside from here. 2 if you take outside, what I am getting? That 3 will become 2 3s are 6. When I take 2 outside, that will be multiplied with 3. So that x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, x minus 1. That's it. What, my dear? X minus 1. That's it. This is the final f dash of x. For this, we have to make it equal to 0. Put f dash of x equal to 0. We have to make them, right? That is I'm going to do in the next. Can I wrap the table, pa? Table. Have you done the table, ma? First we should find x value, then we'll go to table and all. Okay. Let me find x value here. Right. So put f dash of x which is equal to what, pa? 0. So what I'm getting? 6 into x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, x minus 1 equal to 0. So that if I'm making equal to 0 everything, what I'm getting? 6 you leave it, multiply 6 when it's an opposite, 0 divided anything 0. Finally what I'm getting? X plus 1 whole square equal to 0 na. Whole square equal to 0 na. Square and I'll leave it, because square when it's an opposite root 0 0. So that don't want to mention square and all, leave it. Yeah, like that x minus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. Finally x equal to minus 1 I'm getting, and x equal to 3 I'm getting, and x equal to 1 I'm getting. So that we have a 3 values. So how are you going to make a? Yes, say interval I'm making. First minus infinity, plus infinity. In the 3 number, we have a 3 number, ma. In the 3 number, what is the small? Small must be left hand side. Small number must be what? My left hand side. So minus 1, next 1, next big. So step by step you have to go. Small number first in the left hand side, next to small, next to small. If you go like that, you will not do mistake. Okay. So what is the interval? Therefore the intervals are what is that? Minus infinity comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3, and 3 comma infinity. So these many interval I'm getting 4 intervals. Okay, how I'm getting? This is one interval, this is one interval, this is one interval, this is one interval. Like that I'm dividing. Have you understand how I'm writing the intervals? Is it okay? Next table we are moving into Raja. Table. So first interval here. Next f dash of x equal to 6 into here whatever you have here that you take. Okay, that is f dash of x. Take it. X plus 1 whole square and x minus 3 whole square and x minus 1 and what was x minus 1. Next nature of f of x. Nature of f of x. Okay. So we have a table. First one, what is that? Minus infinity to minus 1. Second one what? Minus 1 comma 1. What is third one? 1 comma 3. Next one 3 comma infinity. Okay. So all we have done here. Let's see everything one by one. Children listen. Let's see one by one. Okay. First children, from minus infinity to minus 1. If you take any small number now, what we can take? F dash of minus 2 we can take. Listen carefully. 6 into. Listen. These two never going to disturb our answer. Why ba? Very good. There is a square. Square na always positive. Square na what ma? Always positive. That never going to disturb our answer. So if I am giving minus 2 plus 1 na minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 1. Have you understand? Like that. X value if I am giving minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3 na minus 5. Minus 5 squared answer plus 25. Now here this is the measure. Okay. This is the measure. So that x value if I am giving minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So that less than 0 na decrease. That's it. Understand? Square never going to disturb. The final step only going to decide our answer. That is very important. Right, fine. Next from this what you are going to take? Minus 1, 2 plus 1. Now what will? Yeah, very good. 0 we can take. 0 is an easy number. Okay. 6 into 0 plus 1 whole square. 1 square 1 leave it. Like that 0 minus 3 whole square minus 3 square plus 9 leave it. Like that 0 minus 1 minus 1. Again we have 1 minus, so decrease again. What my dear? Decrease again. Okay. Like that second 1, 2, 3. 1 comma 3 na what we can take between pa? Yeah, 2 you can take. Easy number you take 2. Okay. So 6 into 2 plus 1 3. 3 square what ma? 9. Like that 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 squared number plus 1. Like that 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 1 what ma? 1, which is positive. So greater than 0 na? Increasing. Okay. Next 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity is easy number. What we can take pa? 4 you can take. What you can take? 4. So 6 into 4 plus 1 5. 5 square what pa? 25. 5 square what ma? 25. Next 4 minus 1 sorry, I asked wrong. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 what pa? 1. 1 square what ma? 1 again. Now 4 minus 1 just 3. Okay. So this is also greater than 0, increasing. So we have a 2 increase, 2 decrease. Understand? Okay, understand. Now we'll go here. Therefore decrease f of x. Therefore f of x is decreasing on where minus infinity to minus 1 union minus 1 comma 1. Okay, these two places decreasing. and f of x increasing. F of x is increasing on what is that 1 comma 3 and sorry not you can give even comma also, okay, comma or union or and symbol. What is that 3 comma infinity, that's it, these two I'm getting, that's it. I hope 6th Roman you understand very well. Is it okay, pa? See, I gave 2 question homework in it, you want to do, understand, right? We are going 7th one, right? Fast, go fast, pa. Boy said over, pa. What about girl side, ma? No, sir. Over, sir. Not yet completed. Right fast, sir. So those who have done, kindly write question number 7, ma. Those who completed, write question number 7. Done. We'll go to 7. Have you done, pa? Bye, sir. Girl side. Ma, next 7th one, na. Ma, 7th one, just see the Raja. For 7th one, what they give, show that y equal to log of 1 plus the x minus 2x. Ma, it's missing. Just 2x or any square is there, check in the question. 2x only, yeah. 2x divided by 2 plus x, where x greater than or equal to minus 1. This is called the interval. Interval must be minus 1 onwards. When you take interval, you should not take minus infinity onwards. Minus 1 above. They are given the condition here. Is increasing function of x throughout its domain. In the whole domain, see here domain is given. Throughout the domain, it will be increasing function. That is we have to say. Here not necessary to find even interval and all. If you want to find, you find, but not issue. It's not necessary to find interval because they are given domain. Domain is what? Minus the meaning of this word minus 1 to infinity, minus 1 above to infinity. So domain is given. So when we have an interval, not necessary to find an interval. Suppose x equal to what, if you want to find, you can find, not an issue. Understand? Right. Now, first of all, we'll differentiate this. So when we differentiate with respect to x, I'm getting y dash r dy by dx. Log when you differentiate what, ma? Log when you differentiate. Derivative of log. Derivative of log x, which is equal to 1 divided by x. Derivative of log x equal to what, pa? 1 divided by x. So that 1 divided by 1 plus the x I'm getting. Instead of x, whatever we have, the whole thing I should write in the denominator. Into later I should differentiate this one. 1 derivative 0, x derivative 1. Suppose x square is there, not 2x will be coming. That is what I am showing the steps. Okay. Right. Minus, which is in the form of u by v. Have you noticed it? Which is in the form of u divided by v, so that u by v formula you should use. Yeah. So that u by v whole dash is equal to u dash v minus u v dash divided by what, ma? V square. This formulas I'm going to use. So this is the u and denominator is the v. Understand? That is the formula I'm going to use. So that denominator what, v square na 2 plus x whole square, u dash v in the sense numerator only u. So 2 let it be x derivative 1 and v will be as it is, means 2 plus x as it is minus sorry not minus yeah v, okay, minus u value what, 2x into v dash na denominator we have to differentiate there. 2 derivative 0, x derivative 1, that's it, over. Now if you simplify, what you getting, that we have to see. So 0 plus 1, 1 into 1 now 1 again, 1 plus x we have minus here, what is that, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 2 into x 2x, 2 into x 2x minus 2x into 1 again 2x whole divided by what I'm getting 2 plus x the whole square. So I hope you people noticed it. Plus 2x minus 2x cancelled. So that what we can write 1 divided by 1 plus x minus 4 divided by 2 plus x whole square. So this is our y dash. This is our what ma? Y dash. Okay. So that you want to check separately, or else you can simplify also even. If you take cross multiply, you may get this. Shall we simplify? Shall we simplify? You can simplify this. Take cross multiply. 1 into 2 plus x whole square minus 4 into 1 plus x whole divided by 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square. Because when we have a separately, you cannot simplify. If you convert into one number, na, that is easy. So 2 plus x whole square na formula 2 square 4 x square 2ab na 2 2 is 4x minus 4 when you multiply inside, what you will be getting? 4 when you multiply inside, what you will be getting? That you see 4 into 1 4, 4 into x 4x whole divided by 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square. What all possible to cancel? Do it pa. Plus 4 minus 4 plus 4x minus 4x. Very easily I am getting the y dash now. Y dash is equal to just x square. Okay, just x square divided by what is that? 1 plus x into 2 plus x, 2 plus x whole square. This is my y dash value. This is I got. Okay. Okay, if you put equal to 0 to find x value, you can check, or else without a domain, if you wanna check now, that is also you can say. Without a domain now, here we have a square. Here also we have a square. Without a square, what we have? That is the disturbance for us. Then 1 plus x only disturbance. There for all domain, whatever the domain value, if you substitute, domain means what? Minus 1 above. Minus 1 above now what? What is that? Yeah, 0 onwards. No, it's a real number. Minus 1 above now. Minus 1 to infinity now. Even minus 0.9 also you can take. Minus 0.9, minus 0.8, any small number also you can take. So whatever the number if you give, it will be 1. It will be 1. 1 minus 0.9, it will be 0.1, means positive. So positive, here positive, then this all the place must be positive because of square. So positive means what we can say? Greater than 0. Positive means what we can say, Raja? Greater than 0 for all real number. For all, sorry, not real number, for all the domain. For all the given domain, it will be, what is that? Positive. Or else if you want to show the table now, also you can show the table. Not an issue. Okay. Not an issue. Surely you can take like that. Shall we show the table? Table you want? Yes, table now. You should put equal to 0. Put, what is that? Y dash is equal to 0. It means what I am getting, x square whole divided by, what is that? 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square, which is equal to 0. When you take cross multiply, denominator everything becomes 0. Leave it. So that what I am getting, x square is equal to 0 now. X is equal to what I am getting, 0. Therefore, see, they gave minus 1 onwards. So that minus 1 to infinity, in middle somewhere we have a 0. Then interval, what we have? The interval. The intervals are, what is that? Minus 1 comma 0 or 0 comma infinity. There are two interval we have. For this separate box you have to make. Okay, separate box you have to make. First interval will take the Raja. Interval and f dash of x. What is f dash of x, Raja? It means y dash. Y dash only I am telling f dash of x. What is that? X square divided by, yeah, x square divided by 1 plus x, yes, 2 plus x the whole square. Next, nature of the function. What ma? Nature of f of x. That is nature of function I am telling. That's it. Now let's check the, what is that? This one. First one what ma? Minus 1 comma 0. Let's check here. Next, yeah, 0 to infinity. This also will check. Finally, we'll write finishing answer here. And down we'll write the finishing answer here. Okay, right. Now let's go. So that minus 1 comma 0 now, in between what number we'll take? minus 0.5 will take a. So f dash of minus 0.5 if you are taking now, what I am getting? See, when you square the minus 0.5, whatever it will be, it is a positive. Positive you have to say. So that plus 0.5 square. After square, don't want to simplify. Only plus or minus we have to see. Next here, my what is that? 1 minus 0.5 na. Raja, 1 plus x ba. So that 1 minus 0.5 na, denominator what you will be getting? 0.5. Again, this also whole square. Whole square now what you will be getting? Positive. So that 2 plus 0.5 when you subtract, so that 1.5 whole square. So everything positive, then it will be increasing. Then it will be what ma? Increasing. Very simple. Next is 0 to infinity na, I will take 1. 1 I will take easily, 1 will take. 1 square 1 divided by 1 plus 1 2 into 2 plus 1 3, 3 square 9, which is greater than 0, again increasing. What they asked to prove, which is a increasing throughout domain, means whatever the domain we are using, in all the interval it will be increasing function, they asked to say. Yes, it is a increasing. Okay, so that finally hence f of x is increasing function throughout its domain, which will be increasing function. Have you understand ma? Children, again I am telling, without a table also, this whole table don't want. If you feel na, you have to write what here, which is greater than 0 for all x belongs to the minus 1 comma infinity. Also you can say, because it is not necessary to find the interval. Already interval is given, x greater than or equal to minus 1, means minus 1 to infinity meaning. If you don't want to, if you feel don't want to, you can leave that. Not an issue. That is also they will accept. For next question number 8, 8 y equal to what they gave? X into x minus 2 the whole square is given. Listen children, the x you can multiply inside. They asked to find a value of x, which increasing function. When it is a increasing, what is the value of x? Like that they asking. Let's simplify pa. Let's simplify what we are getting. See, y equal to x, when you multiply x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x the whole square. Now we have to differentiate this with respect to x on both sides. So y dash is equal to, when I differentiate the power, what you will be getting now? Power will be coming down, x square minus 2x whole power 2 minus 1 multiply. Inside x square minus 2x, when you multiply, what will be na? X square x square derivative 2x minus 2 into x derivative what na? 1. X derivative what na? What ba? 1. From here you can take 2 commonly outside. Already we have a 2 here. One more 2 na. What you will be getting? 2 2s are 4 you will be getting. So 4 into x square minus 2x whole power 2 minus 1 1. Leave it into 2 already I have taken outside now. So x minus 1 is the remaining. So this is the y dash. Understand? Now put y dash is equal to 0 for finding value of x. Understand? Finding value of x. So that 4 into x square minus 2x into x minus 1 equal to 0. Multiply 4. Multiply 4, when you send opposite, what you will be getting na? Divide. So 0 divide anything 0. So that x square minus 2x equal to 0. Like that x minus 1 equal to 0 you will be getting. Now x if we take outside commonly na, x minus 2 which is equal to 0, and here minus 1 when you send opposite, it will be x is equal to 1. One value we got for x, but blindly they didn't ask only x value. X value we need when it is a increasing. Okay, so we are getting some x value. Only when increasing time alone we have to take x, other value you have to reject. It means suppose decreasing at a specific place na, that you reject. Only increasing value we should take. Understand? That's it. Now here x is equal to 0, one more value, and x minus 2 equal to 0 na, x is equal to 2, x equal to 2 you will be getting. Now normal interval how you will be splitting pa, that you do. Same manner. Okay. So x is 0, small value this side, next to 1, next to 2. How many interval we are getting? Just see the Raja. The intervals are what we can say minus infinity comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma infinity. Understand? From the 4 interval where increasing, that alone we have to take. That is the question they are given. We have to find the value when it is a increasing. Suppose decreasing comes in, that you have to reject. Suppose decreasing comes in, that you have to reject. Increasing comes in, that you have to accept as a x value. Understand? Okay, let's start in the table. So table, what I'm going to give, first interval, next f dash of x is equal to f dash of x, here we have, that is y dash. Okay, what is that? 4 into x square minus 2x into x minus 1, next nature of f of x. Okay, that's it. First interval what na? Minus infinity comma 0, next 0 comma 1, next 1 comma 2, next 2 comma infinity. 2 comma what Raja? Infinity. Right. Let's check where it is increasing. First minus 0 comma infinity if you take na, I will take minus 1. Minus 1 is the easy number for here. So that 4 into what I am getting pa? Minus 1 when you square plus 1, minus into minus plus 2 you will be getting minus 1 na minus 2. So only 1 is negative, decrease. Decrease na, this is reject. This is result. Okay, decrease we don't want, only increasing we need. Understand? Next 0 comma 1 na, any one number you take between that, I will take 0.5 or 1 by 2 let me take. 1 by 2 let me take. Here x if you take that it will be easy na, x minus 2 into x minus 1. Like this you write. So that if I am taking 0.5, what I am getting here 4 into 0.5. When you subtract here, see 0.5 minus 2 na, minus 1.5 you will be getting minus 1.5 into what is that 0.5 minus 1 na, minus 0.5 again. So there is 2 minus. So minus into minus plus, it will be greater than 0. Greater than 0 na, increase. Increase na, this you have to take as a x value. Means the limit 0 to 1 you have to take as a x value. Next 1 comma 2 na 1.5 will take. F dash of 1.5 if I am taking na, what I am getting 4 into 1.5. Here x minus 2. See x 1.5 minus 2 na, after subtract minus 0.5 is coming. Here x value 1.5 minus 1 na 0.5 is coming. So that only 1 minus na less than 0. So decrease na reject. Decrease na reject I said, because in question only they asked increasing. So that increasing will give. Next 2 to infinity na, I will take 3. So that f dash of 3 which is equal to 4 into 3. 3 here 3 minus 2 na 1. Next 3 minus 1 na 2. That will be greater than 0. Greater than 0 na what Raja? Increase. So where we have increase, that alone you take. Increase we have here, and next second. So 0 comma 1, 2 comma infinity is the increasing. So finally what we have to give? Hence value of x is what na? X belongs to 0 comma 1 and x belongs to 2 to infinity. This you can write x 0 less than x less than 1 and 2 to infinity na 2 above is the meaning. So that x greater than 2 you can say. That's it. Okay, x greater than 2. That's it. This is the required answer for 8th one. I hope you understand this. Here question you have to listen carefully. Find the value of x when it is increasing. Okay. Suppose decreasing na, we are rejecting it. Decreasing na, we are rejecting. where it is increasing, that alone we are taking as a x value. That's it. Is it understand, pa? Boy side, okay, va? What about girl side, ma? Have you understand? Right, fast. Can I have the first page or else? I'll take question number 9 here. Question number 9 I'm taking, Daraja. Question number 9 onwards, trigonometrical function. See, still now question number 8, till question number 8, algebraical function we have seen. Okay. So question number 9 onwards, algebraic as well as trigonometry function may be coming. So that listen carefully. Prove that y is increasing function in this interval. Interval is given now. We don't want to put dash equal to 0. Okay, f dash of x equal to 0 we are giving them, right? That we don't we don't want to do, because they are given interval. For finding interval only we are making f dash of x equal to 0. Interval is given now, that work we don't want to do. Only derivative we have to do, and in the interval whether it is increasing or decreasing we have to check. But they said only increasing we have to say, it seems. Okay, first we will differentiate this. That y is equal to what we have, 4 sin theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta minus theta. Okay, we can differentiate this. One more thing you can notice it, there is a u by v format. This is so that u divided by v quotient rule you must know. So that u dash v minus u v dash and divided by v square. This is I'm going to use here. Okay, listen. So that differentiate with respect to theta. Okay, theta is the variable here. Theta is the variable. So with respect to theta, I'm doing here. Understand? Right. So that y dash, which is equal to denominator what ma? 2 plus cos theta. 2 plus cos theta whole square. So that 2 plus cos theta whole square. Numerator what? U dash v. U dash na numerator alone we have to differentiate. 4 let it be as it is. Sin derivative cos. Sin derivative was ma cot. That is u dash. This is what ma u dash. Into v. V na denominator you have to write as it is. That is cos theta. Okay, formula minus. Next u into v dash. What is the u value? U value 4 sin theta into v dash. V dash na denominator you have to differentiate. 2 derivative 0 and cos derivative minus sin. Cos derivative what ma? Minus sin theta. That's it. Now you have to simplify this. Okay. So that what I'm going to do, listen, what is that? Take the 4 cos, multiply inside. Take the 4 cos, multiply inside like this, and this also multiply. So when you multiply, what I'm getting, 4 2s are 8 cos theta, 4 cos into cos, cos square theta, and here minus into minus plus 4 will be there, sin into sin, sin square theta. Denominator we have 2, sorry, I forget this theta. Theta derivative what? Theta derivative with respect to theta. What ma? 1. Okay. Can you rub this side? The white color which I wrote. I need this page. Now children listen. I want to do two work. You take cross multiply as well as simplify. When I take cross multiply 1 into 2 plus cos theta whole square, what you will be getting? 2 plus cos square na 2 square plus cos square theta plus 2 2 are 4. So 4 cos theta. What I did here? I applied a plus b whole square formula. I applied a plus b whole square formula when I take cross multiply. Okay. And denominator we have 2 plus cos theta the whole square. Now listen carefully. 8 cos theta, let it be as it is in the numerator. And in this 4 if you take outside na, what I am getting? Cos square plus sin square theta. Are you understand this table? You people not understand? If you not understand, you write the same step. Just when I am taking cross multiply, 2 plus cos theta the whole square only I was applied there. A plus b whole square. If it is okay, leave it. If you not understand, you write step by step. Okay, right. So minus a plus b whole square formula when you apply 2 square 4 cos square, let it be 2ab na 2 2s are 4 or else 2ab na 2ab value cos theta. If you want to write, you write step by step. Okay, and denominator what we have? 2 plus cos theta whole square. Understand? Now what is that? 8 cos theta into 4 into sin square plus cos square, what ma? 1. Very good. Now this minus when you take inside, what you will be getting? The minus when you take inside, see the minus into 4 minus into cos square minus into this, like that you want to multiply. So that minus into 4 minus into cos square minus cos square, 2 to the 4, so 4 cos theta you will be getting whole divided by denominator what ma? 2 plus cos theta the whole square. Denominator I didn't apply anything, I hope you have noticed. Right, fine. 4 into 1 4, so plus 4 minus 4 cancelled. Remaining, I need this table. Can I rub this table? Appa, listen. What we have remaining? 8 cos theta. Not 8 cos theta. You can subtract this 8 cos theta minus 4 cos theta. You can subtract. So that 8 minus 4 4. So that 4 cos theta and remaining minus cos square theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta the whole square. This you can write what? Cos if you take outside, 4 minus cos theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta the whole square. This is what ma? Our y dash. Now this one we have to say which is increasing now what? Positive. Y dash is positive, you have to say. Where? In the 0 to pi by 2. Okay, right. In the since case. So see, I'm going to do step by step here. Listen. First cos theta what I'm going to say, and 4 minus cos theta what? Plus or minus. Then denominator always positive because what? We have a square. Square na always positive. So denominator we don't want to worry. Numerator only we have to check. In numerator whatever you have, that everything what in this first quadrant. What in the first quadrant? What is cos theta in the first quadrant? Very good. So that cos is positive in first quadrant. What about 4 minus cos theta? That you have to check. Okay, right. We'll see step by step. Everything we'll give step by step. So that here cos theta is greater than 0 for all theta belongs to closed interval 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 na first quadrant. Okay, so the cos theta is greater than 0 where ma 0 to pi by 2. Understand? Right. Next what ra? 4 minus cos theta also greater than 0. How? Cos, what is the greatest value ma? What is the cos range? Cos range what ma? Cos range what? Minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to what ma? Plus 1. So cos value, highest value 1 only. Then 4 minus 1 3. 3 is a greater than 0 only, no? That is what I am telling, which is a greater than 0. That you have to explain very clearly in the steps. Okay, va? This is greater than 0 since minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1. Whatever you give for cos theta, it will be greater than 0. Okay, so that both are, see sir, this part also plus, this part also plus, denominator surely positive because square is there, then everything plus na, what you can say this greater than 0. That is what I am telling. Right, now that you have to give here, so that therefore y dash equal to cos theta into 4 minus, sorry, one more thing I didn't say now. What is the denominator? What? 2 plus cos theta whole square is greater than 0 because of square, because of whole square we can say this. Okay, or whatever, even this same also if you give also, it will be, when we have a square it is greater than 0 only. So therefore what we can say, y dash is equal to cos theta into 4 minus cos theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta is greater than 0. The reason why greater than 0 we are given here. Y greater than 0 we are given here for all, what is that, for all theta belongs to, sorry, theta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, that's it ba. Okay, that's it ba. Is it okay, Daraja? See, greater than 0 now, what is the meaning? Then y is increasing function, y is increasing function in 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, 0 comma pi by 2 na first quadrant. See, the explanation and all very important. See, explanation and all very important. If you not understand these three, you will not understand why this is greater than 0. Okay, be careful here. Is it okay, boys? Have you understand? Girl side, square ada Raja? Very good. There is a whole square in denominator. Girl side pa, I'm not talking about completed or what. How you understand first? Trigonometric first, now only like 5th chapter you are starting. Okay, here onwards maybe you will be facing lot of trigonometrical questions. Shall you go to next pa? Is anyone writing this? Boy side, girl side? Okay, next, this is what, 9th one? Oh, 9th one again I kept here. Okay, leave it then. We'll go to 10th one. 10th question will take. What is 10th one? We'll see. What is 10th one? We'll see. Prove that logarithmic function a log. Okay, so that let f of x is equal to logarithmic function a log x. Okay, logarithmic function means what ma? Log x is increasing on positive. What is that? Real number, that is 0 to infinity. One more thing you must know. Last year question paper, this they asked. This they asked in the assessment reason. Assessment reason what they asked na? See, assessment reason they asked. Logarithmic function is increasing function for all. What is that? Positive, like that they gave. Sorry, for all real number something they gave. And logarithmic function domain they asked in the, what is somewhere else. Domain is what? Logarithmic always positive. Positive now what is the meaning? 0 to infinity. Positive real number. Log not applicable for any negative value. Log applicable only for positive number. So that logarithmic domain if they asked na, this is the domain 0 to infinity. Don't forget, remember this. Okay, now the question will go, we have to say which is increasing in this interval. Interval given na, we don't have work to do. F dash of x equal to 0. We don't want to put f dash of x equal to 0, because why we are we're substituting f dash of x equal to 0 pa? For finding the interval. Interval is given, then don't want to put f dash of x equal to 0. Only derivative, check in the interval whether it is increase or what. That is what in the previous question also I didn't put y dash is equal to 0. Have you noticed it? I didn't put y dash equal to 0 because interval is given. Because interval is given, so that I didn't give y dash is equal to 0. Okay, be careful. If interval is given, not necessary to put f dash of x equal to 0. Understand? Right. So when I differentiate, what I am getting, log derivative 1 divided by x. This 1 divided by x, we have to say, is a increasing on 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity now only positive value. Okay, x if you are giving any positive number now, what will happen? 0 does not include. 0 you cannot give here because open interval is given. Okay, so that 1 by x is surely greater than 0 for all x belongs to the 0 to infinity. Means 0 above, you take any value for x. 0 above, you take any value for x. If you are giving 0 above any value, 0.1 you give positive. 0.1 by 2 you give positive. 0 by 1 you give positive. 0 by 100 you give positive. The thing is what? Which is a positive in the interval which is given. Okay, that is you have to check whether greater than 0 or less than 0. Which is greater than 0 for all the given interval. Then that's it. Okay, then what you will say? Then f of x is increasing. F of x is increasing function. F of x is increasing function on 0 to infinity. Instead of f of x, you may write logarithmic. Okay, you may write logarithmic function. Understand? Or f of x itself enough, because f of x now what I mentioned already here. That's it. This is question number 10 answer. Next 11th one. Next 11th pa. This is again algebraic function they gave ma. Again one algebraic function they gave. Listen. This is prove that function f of x is neither strictly increasing nor decreasing on minus 1 comma 1. Here also what is given? Here also what is given? Interval is given. Okay. So what we have to say, which is neither increasing nor decreasing, we have to say. That's it. So that f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So that what is that? We have to substitute. Sorry, we have to differentiate this. When you differentiate, what I am getting? X square derivative 2x, x derivative 1 plus 1 derivative 0. 1 derivative what pa? 0. So that f dash of x which is equal to what I am getting? 2x minus 1. So that whatever if I am giving, which will be neither increasing nor decreasing, then what we can go? Neither increasing nor decreasing. Oh, on the specific interval they give, minus 1 comma 1. This interval we can use. Suppose, one more thing. When we can say neither increasing nor decreasing, have you remember the introduction? What I said? In the same interval, the function is increasing and decreasing. In the same, suppose 0 to 2 pi I gave. 0 to 2 pi for cos function. See, here it is increasing and decreasing. Again increasing, decreasing. Like that it will be going. So in the same interval, one function increasing and decreasing. What we can say? It's not standard. It's sometime increasing, sometime decreasing. What we can say? Neither increase nor decrease. It's doing both. Understand? Like that we can say. So that interval we have to split. Interval. Okay. For then you should check this interval also. Put f dash of x is equal than 0. We should check the interval. Without check, you cannot go here then. So that 2x minus 1 equal to 0. What is that? 2x equal to 1. X equal to what I am getting? 1 by 2. Okay. Our 1 by 2 should be lies in the interval. Then only it is correct. Yes, it is lies in the interval. Not an issue. Okay. X value must be lies in the interval. Yes, it is lies. Not an issue. So what is the interval? See, when you split the interval, you should not take minus infinity to plus infinity, because interval is given what? Minus 1 to plus 1. You should not take minus infinity to plus infinity. Understand? You take what is given, and 1 by 2 we got, and we got what pa? 1 by 2. Then therefore the intervals are minus 1 comma 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 comma 1. In both the interval, suppose one place, suppose I'm telling, one place increasing, one place decreasing, na together when we check, what you can say? Neither nor you have to say. Together. Together means what? When you join this both, what you will be getting? What you will be getting? Minus 1 comma 1 you will be getting. Understand? Okay. Right. One more thing you can notice, this is x value. See, if you are giving open interval, not issue. Suppose if you are giving close interval also, not issue. Already when I'm giving introduction, I have explained this. Okay, open interval or close interval only for x value. Only for x value you can do, not issue. Right. Let's check this box table. I will be doing first interval. Next f dash of x. F dash of x, what we have? 2x minus 1. Then nature of function. Nature of f of x. That we'll see, Raja. Suppose if you are giving open interval also, not an issue, that is also correct. So minus 1 comma 1 by 2. This is 1, and 1 by 2 comma 1, that is 1 more. Okay. Let's see now, Raja. So minus 1 above, plus 1 by 2 below, na what we can take in between? Very good. 0 will take. So that f dash of x, sorry, not x, 0. F dash of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1, that is less than 0, decrease. So which is decrease? Suppose in the next interval which is increase, na, surely we can say what? Neither nor. Okay. Let's see what we are getting. So 1 by 2 above, 1 below, na, what we can take? Shall we take 3 by 4? Ma, 1 by 2 above, we have a 3 by 4, right? 0.75. That I am taking. So that 3 by 4. If you want to take anything else, you can take, but it should be more than 1 by 2. Okay. Right. So that 2 into 3 by 4 minus 1. If you simplify, what I am getting? 1 time, 2 time, 2 if you take cross multiply, I'm getting that 3 minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2, that is greater than 0, na, increase. Yes, we got it. So that what you have to say that here, hence f of x is increasing on minus 1 comma 1 by 2, and f of x is decreasing on what, ma? 1 by 2 comma 1. When you join both, then f of x is neither increasing, yes, nor decreasing on. If you join this both, it will become single interval. Okay. Join means what, Raja? Union. When you see minus 1 by 2, I will show this. Minus 1 comma 1 by 2 union here decrease. Very good. Okay. Here what? Minus 1 comma 1 by 2, what? Decreasing. Then what about here? Increasing. Very good, pa. What is that? Increasing, not decreasing. What is that? 1 by 2 comma 1. That is what actually? That is what? Minus 1 comma 1. Ma, if you join this both, what you can say that? Minus 1 comma 1 you can say. That is what they asked. Okay, which is neither increasing nor decreasing on minus 1 comma 1. Instead of writing minus 1 comma 1, together when you join, you will be getting this only. Okay. That is what I said. Single interval. In single interval, a function is increasing and decreasing, na, which will be neither nor only. I hope you understand this. Okay, va? In introduction itself, we said this. In single interval, one function increasing, decreasing, na, that is neither nor. Don't forget. Sir, which is, and you may think that, sir, this is not single interval, sir. This is different interval decreasing. That is different interval. This is increasing. You may think, but when you join this both, what it became? When you join this both, what it became? Single interval. That time it will be increasing, decreasing in the single interval. I hope you understand this. More than this, you don't want explanation. Am I right? Can I go to next bar? Next I should go. Right fast. Have you completed, ma? Have you done, pa? Boys side completed, amma. Girls side. Is anyone writing? Write fast. Completed, appa. Okay. Next, what is question number? Huh? 12. Okay, 12. Listen, pa. So, which of the following is a decreasing function? Here, children, in the textbook, I hope it is a mistake. Give a interval, open interval. Give. Which of the following function is are a decreasing? Okay, which of the following is a decreasing? Question mark. They given. Don't think this is a MCQ. Huh? Don't think this is a MCQ. All the four subdivision you should check where it is increasing and decreasing. So option number A. Suppose if I am taking f of x is equal to cos x na, when I differentiate cos derivative what ma? Minus sin x. Cos derivative what ma? Minus sin x. So minus sin x is increasing, decreasing. Is increasing or decreasing in the 0, pi by 2 you should check. Listen carefully, pa. Listen carefully. In the since case, let me give sin is negative. Children, sin is negative. Sin is negative in 0, pi by 2. Can you accept? Sin is negative in 0, pi by 2. Can you accept? Because which is in a first quadrant. Sorry, first quadrant sin is positive. Sorry. First, what is that? Positive. Okay, this is what my sin x is positive in the first quadrant. Can you accept this? Is it okay? So that what I am getting, f dash of x is equal to, here we have a negative. Children, listen, here we have a negative and sin is positive in the first quadrant. So sin is positive. So negative into positive, what you will say? Less than 0. Less than 0. Less than 0 means what? Decreasing. So that a is decreasing. So that therefore f of x is equal to cos x is decreasing on 0, pi by 2. A is decreasing. Okay, 1 over. Next B. Next B. B is what ma? F of x is equal to cos 2x. What my dear? Cos 2x. Cos 2x you have to check. When you differentiate, what I am getting? Cos derivative minus sin 2x. Okay, minus sin 2x into 2x when you differentiate 2 into 1. 2 into 1. That means minus 2 into sin 2x. Okay. Children, listen. They gave only for x belongs to. This is for x belongs to. But here we have what belongs to? 2x. Then for 2x, what we have to check? Listen. In the since case, listen, in the since case, x belongs to what ma? 0, pi by 2. That means 0 less than x less than pi by 2. If you need 2x na, 2x, hey listen, if you need 2x now, what you have to do? Multiply 2. Multiply 2. So that 2 into 0 less than 2 into x less than 2 into pi by 2. What it became? Check carefully. Sorry. Where we are? On the last page. So that check this carefully. So what I am getting? 2 into 0, 0 less than 2x less than pi. So that 0 to pi you should check. Not 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 given for x 1x. Now 2x na the interval became 0 to pi. Have you understand? Interval became 0 to pi. In 0 to pi, what is sign? What is sign? 0 to pi, what is sign? Sign is positive. 0 to pi na first quadrant and second quadrant. In both the quadrants, sign is positive. Okay. And you have to continue this. Minus 2 into, that is minus 2, you can write minus. Okay. Into sin 2x is what? Positive, which is less than 0 again. Less than 0 again. So less than 0 again. Then therefore f of x equal to cos 2x is decrease on what you have to say? Yeah, 0 to pi by 2. See, while you write the same, but when you check, you should check 0 to pi. Understand? Be careful. So that here 2x belongs to 0 to pi, you should check, because we have here 2x only. Be careful. Okay? Right. So sign is positive in first quadrant as well as second quadrant. That is what I mentioned. Next C question, 3x. So that f of x is equal to cos 3x na what I am getting. Let's see. So that f dash of x is equal to cos derivative minus sin 3x into 3, let it be as it is. 3, let it be as it is. When you differentiate 1 x, that is 1, leave it. So what you will be getting then? Minus 3 into sin 3x. Children, again the same procedure you want to do there, but instead of 2x, 3x. So that in the since case, x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. But sorry, that is what is the meaning? 0 less than x less than pi by 2. But I want not x, I want 3x. So multiply 3 on both sides. Multiply 3 on both sides. Here also we are multiplying 2 on both sides. Okay. So that what I am getting? 0 into 3, 3 into x. So that 3 into pi by 2. What I am getting here? 0 into 3, 0. Less than 3x less than 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 na what ma? Including first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. That means 3x belongs to 0 comma 3 pi by 2. Means from first quadrant to third quadrant. Listen carefully. Sign is what? Sign is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. But what about third quadrant? Negative. What about third quadrant? Negative. So that, listen carefully, which will be increasing on first and second, which will be decreasing on third quadrant. So what do you have to say? Listen, everybody stop your work, listen my word. Listen my word. We can split this into 3, 0 to pi by 2. Okay. And pi by 2 to what? Pi, and pi to 3 pi by 2. So what I am telling here, increasing. Here, sorry, decreasing. We have done already. We have done. Yeah, decreasing. Yes. So that this is decreasing. This is also decreasing. Then what about third quadrant? Increasing. Why is a third quadrant increasing? In third quadrant, sign is negative. So already we have one negative. This 3. Okay, sign also negative. Now negative, positive. So in single quadrant, decreasing is happening, increasing is happening. Then together, what you will be telling? Very good. Neither increasing nor decreasing, you have to say for this. Have you understand what I am speaking? Very good. Okay. So that here decreasing, here increasing. Then what you have to say? Then f of x is equal to cos 3x is neither increasing nor decreasing on what ma? 0 comma pi by 2. See, while you check, we are checking for 3 pi by 2. When you write the given. Okay, be careful. And last D1, f of x is equal to tan. What about tan ma? Tan derivative. Tan derivative what ba? Secant square. Square now what you can write? Secant x whole square. Whole square na surely it will be increasing whatever the quadrant, okay. So that for all x belongs to the 0 comma pi by 2. So greater than 0 na, then what you will say? Increasing function. Then f of x is increasing. That's it. Finally, what they asked in the question, they asked only decreasing. Then what is decreasing? A is decreasing, B is decreasing. That's it. Then in final answer, what you have to write? Hence A and B are decreasing functions. That's it, Raja. Okay, this is you have to give as your final answer. I hope you understand this. Is it okay? That's it, ma. We'll continue remaining things in the next video. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye. See you later.